Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
We will be demonstrating on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have that generation different year, the video may be helpful, guys. You will have two fuse boxes. One is under the hood, but we don't need to work on this one. We'll need the one that's inside the vehicle. It's actually on the passenger side, right under the glove box, on the right side by the kick panel right there. So when you open it, guys, that fuse box will look just like that. Now let's explain before we start why it's super important to test fuses, guys, and relays, so you don't waste your money and time.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So what we guys have here specifically, you can see on the left side we're going to start, okay, right here, and we're going to go with count to fuse number 4. Even if you have a missing space, you still count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one of the fuses, guys, okay, for dome lights, interior lights, that 10 amp fuse. Then you need to go to fuse number 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That 15 amp fuse, guys, right here will need to be checked as well. Then you have one more, which is known as fuse number 21. So if you come in that third row right here, it will be 1, 2, 3, the third row. Okay, the third fuse in the second row right here, the 10 amp fuse, right above the relay, that's the fuse that you will need to check.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.